What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card cash advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung cash advance fee or kung magkano yung availment fee. Kasi the moment you cash advance, may cash advance fee yan. At saka yung mga dapat yung tandaan at the same time, paano nga ba mag-cash advance of course. At saka syempre, nangangailangan niya ng cash advance PIN. So, paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN at saka kung magkano yung minimum cash advance amount. Kasi hindi lang siya basta ganon, may minimum amount siya para ma-pursue or ma-proceed yung cash advance application ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So here guys, as you can see, BPI credit card holders can withdraw cash up to 30%. So magkano nga ba yung pwede cash advance? 30% ng credit limit ninyo via ATMs or branches using a 6-digit credit card PIN or CC PIN, which is yung sinasabi kong cash advance PIN. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-request ng cash advance PIN. A 200 pesos fee applies per transaction. So, 200 pesos siya with interest rates of 3.16% per month. Alternatively, users can apply for credit to cash installment loans for better rates. So, ito guys, to explain this, no? So, yung pwede nyo i-cash advance is 30% ng credit limit ninyo. Halimbawa, may 100,000 kayong credit limit. So, meaning, yung magiging cash advance amount nyo or pwede nyo i-cash advance is 30,000 pesos. Then, via ATMs yan. Kahit anong ATM yon, okay lang guys. Basta may cash advance PIN kayo. So ngayon, kung magkano nga ba yung availment fee, nais kong malaman nyo is 200 pesos per transaction. So meaning, in every time na mag-cash advance kayo, like for example, nag-cash advance kayo ng 15,000, so automatic 200 pesos yung magiging transaction fee nun. At saka kung nag-ulit na naman kayo, kahit 10,000 lang or 5,000, 200 pesos agad ulit yun. Then yung interest rates niya guys is 3.16%. So, dapat malaman nyo rin na yung interest rates, 3.16%. Tapos, pwede naman kayo guys, kung gusto nyo na medyo makatipid kayo sa interest rates, pwede kayo mag-credit to cash. Mas mababa yun. So, gagawa na lang ulit ako ng panibagong vlog for credit to cash using your BPI credit card. Then ngayon guys, let's talk about steps to get your BPI credit card PIN. So, ito na yung kailangan nyo guys, yung credit card PIN, pinaka-importante or crucial steps na kailangan nyo malaman para magkaroon kayo ng credit card cash advance PIN. Online request is the fastest. Log into the BPI Help and Support website and fill out the form under About PIN. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng branch ng BPI, pwede na via online. Phone call. Pwede rin via phone call, guys. Call the 24-hour BPI Contact Center at 632-889-10000, Metro Manila. Or 1-800-188-89100 domestic toll-free. So using your PLDT landline, ito yung type nyo 1-800-188-89100 kapag nasa province kayo. Branch visit. Visit any BPI branch nationwide to request PIN. So kung malapit lang naman kayo sa BPI branch, pwede kayo doon mag-request. At least masasagot yung mga tanong nyo kasi may nagwo-work na doon mismo sa BPI. Key details for credit card cash advance. Withdrawal channels, any BPI ATM. So, ibig sabihin, kahit saang ATM yan, pwede kayo mag-cash advance. Basta may credit card cash advance PIN kayo. Or any MasterCard, Visa, affiliated ATM worldwide. So, even outside the Philippines, guys, basta tumatanggap siya ng MasterCard or Visa, basta may cash advance PIN kayo, pwede kayo makapag-cash advance. Take note lang sa magiging cash advance limit. Kasi kapag outside the Philippines, mas mataas yun, of course. Transaction fee is a cash advance fee of 200 pesos is charged per transaction. Take note lang guys na per transaction yung 200 pesos. Kaya naman dapat i-finalize nyo na kung magkano talaga yung ika-cash advance ninyo para maiwasan yung paulit-ulit na transactions. Interest rates is 3.16% effective interest rate per month applied from the date of withdrawal. So kapag the moment you withdraw it, automatic yan mag-start na yung 3.16 per month hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash advance ninyo. Limits, generally of up to 30% of the total credit limit subject to the available credit balance. So, meaning, kung magkano lang yung total credit limit ninyo. Halimbawa, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, 100,000 or 1 million. So, regarding 1 million, nasa 150,000 yung magiging cash advance limit ninyo. But, may limitations yung withdrawal sa machine. Kaya naman, mangyayari is mag-multiple transactions kayo kapag 150,000 yung i-cash advance ninyo. Take note of that. Then, requirements is a 6-digit PIN. CC PIN is required. So, yung pinaka-requirements, kahit may credit card ka na sa BPI, so kailangan mo pa rin ng cash advance PIN para ma-proceed yung application nyo for BPI cash advance. Then, alternative options, credit to cash. So, itong credit to cash na sinasabi dito, guys, is allows cardholders to convert their credit limits into cash paid in installment up to 36 months, with lower rates starting at 0.99% monthly for certain promos. So, nice kung malaman nyo, guys, yung credit to cash naman is magkaiba siya sa cash advance. Which is itong credit to cash is may process siya. I-request, tatawag ko sa BPI mismo to request for a cash installment. Then, yung rates niya, guys, is mababa nga lang. Yun nga lang, kailangan nyo bayaran yung monthly amortizations niya. Compared to cash advance, hindi mo kailangan yun bayaran. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung 3% hanggang sa matapos yung bayaran. Compared dito na may amount talaga siya na itatalaga, which is kailangan yung bayaran every end of the month. Over-the-counter, available at any BPI branch nationwide. So, any branch naman ng BPI, pwede kayong mag-request ng cash advance. Dalhin nyo lang yung credit card nyo, of course, and then yung valid IDs. Important considerations. Higher cost, of course, since cash advance are expensive due to immediate interest accumulation and flat rates. So, yung cash advance talaga, guys, is automatic yung 3.16% na interest nun hanggang sa matapos yung bayaran kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Tapos, maiipon yun, tuloy-tuloy lang yun. No grace period. Interest accrues from the day of the cash advance until fully paid. So, the moment na nag-withdraw na kayo ng cash advance, ganyan-ganyan, nag-process, nakuha nyo ng pera, automatic yun, 3.16% yung tutubuin niya after 1 month. Then yung minimum amount, magkano nga ba yung minimum amount na pwede i-cash advance sa BPI credit card? Amounting to 500 pesos. So, yun yung magiging minimum amount niya, 500 pesos per transaction, pataas. Kung magkano yung limit ng machine. Take note lang, guys, na yung machine, kadalasan is 10,000 lang yung limit per withdrawal. Hindi kayo pwede mag-withdraw ng 20,000, 40,000, isang transaction, hindi po. 10,000 yung maximum amount. May iba din 15,000. Depende siya sa machine. So, ganun yung mga dapat yung tandaan, guys, when it comes to BPI credit card advance. So, sana may na-share ako, guys. At huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe for more videos kasi marami pa akong i-share in the future. So, it's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!